guys, right now we at mechanical car park. This car park will go all the way up. Can you guys see this? There's a car on top. My goodness. Thank you, sorry. Okay, thank you. So the car go all the way up, is it? Kita tu pergi ke atas ah? That's nice, right? Penang ah, only Penang. Hi guys, okay, so we check in one of this hotel. The hotel name is Summit 191. Just beside home. Once I get the room key, I will show the room how it look like. Guys, so right now we're having our dinner because it's quite late already, and it's going to be like heavy rain, so we scared later, you know, we go out heavy rain, so better we have our dinner this Chinese stall, me and my friend. So I hope you guys have checked out the rooms. It's really nice. It's kind of like a normal living room, you know. Yeah, so see you next page. Bye. Good morning everyone. So right now I'm at this MCO hotel in Penang. So they have a beautiful place in, I think it's level 19, level 19. They call Sky Event. So, and they also have a door glass for wedding event as well. It's really beautiful. I did take some shot and I'll show you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And then if you have any inquiry, just call on this, you know, the management. You can ask what is the quotation about, you know. It's really a nice view. Let me show you guys. this is a wedding event or really nice. So I did take video and now they turn off the light already, so sorry. So yeah, hope you guys like it and just wait for our next video and our next location. Bye. So once we have lunch, our destination to be towards to Penang. Sorry, Taiping. Okay guys, this is fish biryani and that's my friend having a chicken biryani. See you on next video guys.